Bram? Hey, buddy. What are you playing with? Are you sitting in your high chair? Are you sitting in your high chair? And this is what it looks like when you sit in your high chair. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You dropped the toy. Now what you got? You just have your cloth. Yeah. Yeah, are you trying to break out or what's going on? Let's see if we can grab your toy without destroying this video too much. Alright, sorry everybody, we're gonna dip. There you go. Do you want a different toy, buddy? Yeah, let's grab a different toy. Let's grab Captain Calamari. And you're trying to grab at the ring? Oh no. Oh no. Alrighty, here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here he is. Here he is. You want him? Well, that's the end of this video. That's the end of this video. Yep, say bye. Say bye. Bram. Abraham. Abraham. Say bye. You want to say something? No? Okay.